Kaya napakahalaga na yung mga kabataan ay maisama natin. I have been in the youth movement for most of my political life, and even before my political life. And it is very clear that government, for example, needs to be revitalized, needs to have new blood, needs to have new ideas, needs to have that determination and that energy that maybe the the very high ups have lose sight of. Napakaganda makita na mga kabataan talagang hindi nila tinitigilan ang kanilang paniniwala na ipinaglalaban. I remember nandito yung mga ibang KB. Ang KB dati yung Kabataan Barangay. Simple lang yung slogan ng Kabataan Barangay. Makialam, makialam, makialam. Tama yun. Dapat ganun pa rin ang gagawin ng kabataan. Kung meron kayong nakikitang mas magandang pamamaraan, sabihin ninyo, isigaw ninyo. Wala, yung mga matatanda hindi makikinig sa inyo, pero pilitin ninyo. Hindi naman, lahat naman, pagka may pangyayari na ganyan, sasabihin, kung maganda ang naging resulta, anong masama doon? Kung hindi matagumpay, hindi magandang lumabas, hindi bale. Sige, next. Subukan natin ibang bagay. Subukan natin ibang sistema.